All right, so today we're going to help you set up your tier 4 and tier 3 or agency plan. And with me, I have from the support team Akash. And Akash is going to show you how to set up your agency plan and create sub accounts, white label the platform, put your own branding, customize your pricing plans for your clients. And all right, so when you log in, Akash, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Awesome. Okay, great. So when you log in, you will see this screen. This is your agency dashboard. As you can see on the top right, it's called an agency dashboard. Okay, so what's the first step, Akash, for an agency to start white labeling this platform?
Okay, so when we log into the agency, first we update the branding. From here, we can update it.
So you can put your own logo and your own name for your agency over here and your own icon. What's the icon? Is
Okay,
this
so yeah, you just click on Save Branding.
okay?
Yeah, and here you can see the logo that you selected.
Awesome. And the icon,
Here is
oh, I see. All right, perfect.
okay.
So you can collapse the menu like that as well. Great. Okay, great.
Yes, so second step would be the email SMTP. You can add the host, then port, username, password, and from which email your users should get the mail.
Awesome. So the purpose of connecting your email, so you're an agency, you have clients, so you want to send them emails about their sub account being created, their username and password, any updates. So it should go from your email instead of Dialora's email. So that's why you connect your email over here with the SMTP server. And once that's done, then you can send emails from your own domain name.
Okay, so let's begin.
Okay, so how do we get all of this information?
Okay, so currently I'm using the SandGrid for demo purpose, but you can use your own SMTP. Twilio, then maybe Google is not supporting, I guess, but other platforms are there.
All right, so whatever email software you're using, like Gmail, Zoho, GoDaddy email, Ionos email, Outlook email, you can get your SMTP from them, SendGrid email, right? And your port number, and then you connect your email. This is how you would connect your email anywhere with your calendar. So it's pretty standard.
So here are the details. Just click on Save Changes. So the email provider configured successfully. You will get a toast. Then you can add the users.
All right, so now we've connected our email, we've done our branding, we've white labeled the platform. Now you want to add sub accounts, so your clients as an agency, sub users. So how did we get there? To this page,
Yeah,
Akash?
sure. So just click on the create sub account.
Okay.
Okay, there are two options from here or under the white label solution.
Okay.
Just click on the create sub account, then add your user's name, add the email. Okay, so
Yeah, you can add mine.
okay, could you please share we
Let's just do
at
team at Dialora.ai.
sorry?
Team at Dialora.ai.
Okay, team at Dialora.ai. So you can select the plan name. Currently, I'm using the basic.
Okay. So now this is the question, right? What is this basic plan?
Okay, so basically you can add the plan name whichever you want. You can add other than like higher than medium.
Okay. Can I create my own plans?
Yes,
How do I
perfect.
create my own plans?
Yeah, so just add the plan name, then the credit you want to allocate to that user. You have the max limit is 5,500 credits. So I'm giving 1,000 credits.
Okay. Just to clarify, the max limit is because your this particular account has 5,500, right? If they have 8,000 credits,
Exactly.
then they can assign different credits, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, cool. And then they can set their own price here.
Yes. So $97 I'm selecting.
Okay.
Okay. So here the resources limit. So I'm giving the limit of 5 agent max. Then knowledge base, you can add up to 4.
Okay.
Yeah, concurrent calls, um, 2. Then max team member because this user can add his users also.
Okay, so if let's say, I am a marketing agency and my clients are dental clinics, and I'm making this for a dental clinic, so I can assign how many users from the dental clinic can be added here. So it can be 1, 5. What's the limit on this?
Currently, there are no limits.
Okay. So unlimited users also they get. That's awesome. Perfect.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, great. So this is all turned off.
Yeah, just enable it if you want to give the access of campaign,
Okay.
then team collaboration. If you added here any numbers, then you have to enable this.
Okay.
Okay, then Zapier integration. These are the automation tools.
Wow. So you can actually give them the different features that Dialora has, and you can control that. Okay, great.
Yeah, so just create tenant. Okay, so this user is invited. Here is the status. So let's wait for few seconds
All right.
because I'm using the sand grid, so it will take some time.
Okay, so it's going to now send an email to the user, a team at Dialora.ai, and then let's see what happens. And so this is the agency dashboard. Now, how does the agency see the sub account?
Okay, from here, okay, these are the approved users.
So you click there, and then workspaces. What's the difference between my workspace and shared workspace?
Yeah, this is the agency.
Oh, so this is the
Just you
agency's
can,
personal AI Dialora, where they can create their
yes,
own agents and all of that. Okay, and then the sub accounts are under shared workspaces.
shared workspaces.
Okay.
So just go to the agency dashboard. Then also I want to add that I have selected the $97. So under the billing, $97 is added.
Okay.
Okay.
So right now there is no set pricing plans, right? You can
No, no, no,
you
not
can
currently.
only create the pricing plans in while creating the sub account.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And
So here are the shared workspaces. Okay, let's go to the. Okay, so as you can see here, the 1,000 credits for team at Dialora.ai, or you
awesome.
can see the logo also,
Okay.
agency.
So it's the agency's logo over there. That's awesome.
Yes,
They cannot change that logo and make it the dentist's logo, right? It's only the agency's logo.
right.
Okay. And in the basic plan, if you click on that, can they see what their plan is on the bottom?
No, no, these are we can't look
Okay.
at the plan
Okay.
because agency onboarded this user. So these are the custom plans.
Okay, cool. Okay, so basically you would have to, you know, have like a landing page or like a proposal document for your clients where you create your own custom plan for them and then send them an invoice, collect the payment through your own payment system, and then you can create a recurring plan with whatever customization inside Dialora like we just did. Cool. Awesome. Okay, so then we go back to the agency dashboard.
Okay, so here's the agency dashboard.
Okay, great. Is there anything else that they need to know here that they can do? What's under users?
Yeah, so the main purpose, if you want to block the onboarded user, you can also do that. So just go to the cancel subscription.
Okay.
But just to make sure, this can't be undone.
Okay.
Like if you block some user, then it can't be undone.
Okay, that's great. So this is how you would block or delete a user, right?
Right.
Okay, great. Okay, so that's what
Just
else?
type in smaller case block and click on this button. Then that's it.
Awesome. Awesome. Great. What else can you do here?
You can see the credits and how many agents they have created, how many calls they have scheduled.
Awesome. Okay. And then I can, if I want to listen to their calls or something, I can go into the sub account or I can do it from here.
No, you just go to their account.
Okay.
Suppose I'm going to this. Then under the call history, here you can see the recordings or transcription.
Awesome. All right. And how does the sub account add more users?
Okay, so this user can add from settings.
Okay.
Here, add his email and just click on this button.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, great. And then that person will get an invite, and then they have to create their own login, or we have to share the login?
No, they can just add the password.
Okay.
And email is already created. So account is already created. Just need to add the password. That's it.
Okay. Can you just let's just demo that. Let's see how it works. So just put in an email as info@test.com. Okay. So if I
add member.
Okay.
Okay, so the domain is not right.
I see. Just try avi dot, I think it's avi.vatsa@dialora.ai.
Yes, so let's add. Okay, maybe
try a real email. Do you have another?
Okay, I got it. Because this user is not activated yet.
Okay, how do we? Oh, I see. Okay, can you try another account?
Yeah, sure. Just a second. Okay, let me. Okay, as you can see, this user is invited, not approved yet.
Okay, let's try an approved one.
Okay, sure.
All right, so we go to settings, and then we can add a user. Just try team at Dialora. Will that work?
Yeah. No.
Oh, I see. So because we haven't enabled this account. Right. But that's how you would add more members. And so we have to make sure that the ability for team collaboration is available, or in the agency, and we have to make sure that the email is correct. Okay, that's fine. And then if I want to add a custom domain right now, I have to go to need a custom domain, request custom domain.
Here is the request custom domain, and just add the details and submit.
Okay. So if I want to have it on my marketing agency's domain, growthdriven.com. So how will it work? Will it be like a subdomain, or is it how will it work?
Yeah, so basically you can use your domain, just add here the domain you want and the message. Then we will get back to you. Then we will schedule the call, and then we can have you on board.
Okay, so if you want to add a custom domain, you have to reach out to us through this form and let us know what your domain is. Like if it's like mine is growthdriven.com, then you just put that over there. You send the message that I want to set up my custom domain, and someone from the team is going to help you manually connect it. Right now, that's how we're doing it. We are making sure that the domain is legit and there's no problem with your domain, and we are manually connecting it for you. In the future, you will be able to do it all yourself, but right now you have to reach out to us to connect your custom domain. Awesome. Good. What else is there? Anything else?
No, I guess that's it.
Awesome. All right. Thank you
You
so
can
much,
post,
Akash. Okay, in the
yeah,
profile.
you can add the phone number, then language. You can change the password of the agency. These are the normal
Okay, perfect.
cases.
And
Yeah.
then can I reset the password or change the password myself as an agency of my sub accounts?
No, you can't do that currently. But yeah, you can do that by going to the shared workspaces.
Okay.
But you need the password of the current password
Oh,
of that user.
so then the user, your client, will be able to change the password of their own account. You cannot change it over here.
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. All right, thanks so much, Akash. And this is
Yeah.
great. If you guys have any other questions, just put it in the comments below or reach out to us at team@Dialora.ai. And if you run into any problems, let us know. And if you want any other features, let us know. Thank you.